Hello Rachel, it's your girl Mally, and I am here to show you some very simple steps to get a great daytime look. But then wait, we're gonna level up, baby, and we're gonna go for a nighttime look just by adding a few simple steps. A great daytime look. It is so simple, so easy, you won't believe it. So we're gonna start with a concealer. Now, you don't have to use concealer just underneath your eyes. You can actually use it all over your face in certain areas, not only to brighten, but also, just to add a little bit of freshness, okay, and to cover up some dramas, okay? Adding the warmth of your fingers will help your product to melt in. That's a great makeup artist trick. Eyebrows are super important. The idea is you want to use soft little hair-like strokes, especially at the head of the brow, and that's going to make it look very fresh and youthful. Then you can go a little bit deeper and harder towards the tail to really create a natural looking brow. When it comes to eyeshadow, it doesn't have to be complicated. I like to take two shades, basically a contour shade and a highlight shade, the deeper shade. I'm basically gonna use it as an eyeliner and go right across the lid like so. If you want to add just a little bit more definition, come up a little bit higher, line the bottom as well. The lighter shade I'm gonna use right underneath the brow. A little goes a long way. Take a little bit of mascara just to kind of, again, add definition without using liner. To finish off and to make everything super simple, I'm gonna use a blush and lipstick. Wait for it, it's like a giant crayon, Miss Rach. You're gonna just take it, put it right on the apple of the cheek and blend up. Oh yeah, I mean, come on. And all of a sudden, you've got a great lip color too. Quick little tip for the end, put it on your nose. There's your easy breezy daytime look. Okay, so we have the perfect day look, but let's level it up for the night. Now we're gonna kick it up a notch with a deep brown. Just going to deepen the shade like so. And blend out those edges. Darken the bottom lash line. And what a difference that makes. Nothing says nighttime and level up than a black eyeliner. I'm gonna use liner now on the top, right on top of the makeup that we've already done. Love that, but wait, this is what I call instant fierceness. Just take it and line in the inner rim, and whoa, what a difference already. Bronzer is a great way to add a little bit of contour, a little bit of sexiness. Start here in the hollow of the cheek, and then just kind of start to warm up. Our nighttime would not be complete without a little bit of highlighter. Targeted areas with the highlighter. Cheekbones, that's gonna give you that beautiful, beautiful lift. Tip of the nose, a little bit at the chin, and that's it. So here's a great tip for lip gloss. Do not be afraid. Have fun and enjoy that shine. So this is it, guys. This is your nighttime look. Do you see a difference? I think you do.